The Waitianga Festival of Sports. Sailing. Formula 1. Most expensive sports in the world. Participating in sports is a sure way to keep fit. And we all know that fitness cannot be overemphasized. It helps keep the body in top working condition. There are numerous sports from different countries, and their participation will require a little of your investments into it. Even so, just how much you are willing to spend on sports? Are you willing to spend as much as the following sports cost? Well, check out the following sports. Pentathlon. The pentathlon is made up of 5 sports. These sports include running, pistol, shooting, fencing, swimming, and jumping. This means that you will need to hire a trainer for all these sports. Other than just, you will also need all the necessary equipment for the sports. Jumping is by far the most expensive of the first 5. First and foremost, you will need a horse, and we know that they do not come cheap. Also, buying the fencing equipment and purchasing a piston is not cheap, as so maintaining it. Wingsuiting. Wingsuiting looks like very interesting sport. I bet it is not that interesting when you realize that you are staring down on the earth from a very high position. For this sport, you will need special jumpsuits that are referred to as wingsuits. The wings will increase the human body surface area, giving it a higher lift. Purchasing the wingsuit will cost you around $2,500. This is an affordable price. Putting that aside, you may wonder what exactly makes this sport so expensive. The answer is in getting into the air and back to the ground again. You will need skydiving lessons, hire a plane and a pilot, and pay for insurance. These are all the factors that make these sports very expensive. Bobsledding. This sport is yet another expensive sport that you may not think of until the money you are about to spend is broken down for you. First and foremost, you will need bobsleds, which cost around $25,000. Training for this sport is also very expensive, and there aren't many trainers all around the world. Constructing a bobsled is out of the question unless you are willing to spend millions of dollars. This sport is played by 8 people because it is team sport with 4 people on each team. This means that the price for everything will typically be 4 times more. Hot air balloon racing. This is a funny and fun sport. I cannot wrap my head around racing in hot air balloons. Even so it happens, it is a real sport. As a recreational activity, you stand to spend around $300 or more. As a sport, you will spend so much more. Buying a hot air balloon for one person is approximated to be $20,000. Inflating it can cost about $9,000. Safety inspection can cost up to $350, and training for a pilot's license will cost you to maximum $3,000. You will also need a crew to watch over you. There are other navigational devices needed, and when you put all these costs together, you will know that it is no sport to joke with a concerning expenditure. Sky jumping. I know that most people have done sky jumping and they did not incur any cost other than the cost of buying a sky. Well, that is not all there is to sky jumping, and especially if you want to do it as a professional and compete with other jumpers internationally. Other than the skying equipment, you will also need to hire a trainer, access to sky jumps, and so much. These expenses will see to it and that you spend at least $100,000 on this sports in just a year. You see, I told you there was more than to it than it jumping. You should also know that taking insurance for this sports can take a toll on your finances. Therefore, the best way to go about it is to get sponsors. Equestrian. If you can do steeplechase, vaulting, riding or driving, then this sport is for you. The difference is that this time you will be doing these activities with a horse. This sport is for the rich in the society. Buying a horse, maintaining it and training it does not come easy. Also, to showcase your talented and skilled horse at an international circuit, you may spend as much as $200,000. If this is too costly for you, then just leave it. Polo. This is a sport for the rich. For this sport, you will need an elite horse and they are not cheap. You will also need to pay for training, maintenance and also travel. Take note, you will need around 4 horses because one horse will get too exhausted to finish the game. Also remember the horses will need to be groomed and exercised. This may cost you nearly $2,500. To join a tournament can cost you anywhere between $3,500 and $150,000, and to be a patron can cost up to $1 million. There is also the aspect of medical care because polo is associated with a lot of severe injuries. Now you know why it is expensive. Sailing. I think this can be the sport for me. I love the thought of sailing. Even so, the price I will have to pay may be too much and not what I bargained for. For this sport, one will need a boat. Now it is no secret that owning a boat is more costly than owning some brands of car, right? Also, do not forget the cost of maintenance and much other necessary equipment. This means that you can pockets needs to run deeper for you to be able to compete in this sport. There is also the maintenance part. In as much as the sport will take months when it's done, the boat may have to be stored on dry land. Formula 1. For this sport, you will need to own a car. Even if you rent one, it will still cost you a lot of money. You also need to be ready to spend a lot of money on hospital bills because you may be frequent the hospital for many serious injuries. For you to even get here, you need to have started motor racing at a younger age. Joining Formula 1 may require sponsors because it can go as high as $190,000 million just to join a competition. You will also be spending a lot on tires because they cost so much more than those of normal cars. All these expenses put together will make you quite on your dreams if you are not made for hard stuff. The Whitianga Festival of Sports. This is a sport like no other. It is by far the most expensive sport in the whole wide world. This sport event is held in New Zealand every year, and the essence of the sport is centered on speed, without which it will not be fun. The sports event will feature helicopter racing, races between the helicopters and rally cars, power boats races that are offshore, jet skiing racing, and even parachute swooping. This is just go to show that for this sport is for millionaires and billionaires. Owning all these or even half of them is expensive enough. What about the maintenance? You will be spending millions every year. Some people may say that it is not about the money but about the activity itself. Well, I say it is in both. And if the sports is going to cost me a helicopter, a racing car, a boat, 4 horses and so much more, I think I will take a pass as it is unless it is an all expenses paid for first time experience.